How to log in into Ring app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to sign in into Ring application. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to make sure that you have updated Ring app. Tap to open Ring application. Now you will land on the welcome screen where you will see two options, create account and sign in. If you don't have an account, you first need to create an account by tapping create account and following on-screen prompts. To sign in, tap sign in button. Now you need to enter the email which is associated with your account. You can even sign in with your passkey using your face or fingerprint instead of a password. So let's enter. And as you can see that we are on the official interface of Ring. That means you need to enter your password, verify your mobile number, and then you are good to go. We have successfully signed in on Ring applications account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.